Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Welcome to our group presentation. My name is Della and I will be serving as the moderator for this session. Okay, our presentation is titled Concept of Test, Assessment and Teaching by Group 3. Before then, I wanna introduce my friends. The first, Zakila Talia Salsabina. And next, Novitri, and me, Della Patria. And next, Siska Melani. Okay, the first materials, the definition, concept of test, assessment, and teaching. And next, concept of test, assessment, and teaching. Okay, the materials, I would like to invite Novitri to present the explanation for this session. To Novitri, time is yours.
Now I wanna explain about the definition language assessment. So language assessments is the process of gathering information to evaluate learners' language ability, support the learning, and guide educational decision. So it's involved teaching, testing, and assessment, which work together in the continuous cycle. Teaching guides learning, assessment, monitoring process, and testing evaluate achievement. So from the definition, we get the language assessment is evaluate learners' language ability through the continuous cycle of the teaching, assessing, and testing to monitor progress and guide learning. So we next to the concept of test assessment and the teaching. First is test. It's a formal procedure to measure the learner's knowledge or performance in a specific domain, such as writing tests, multiple choice item, or performance tasks. So the next is assessment. Is a broader process that include tests, observation, portfolio, self-evaluation to provide insight into the student learning progress. And the teaching. The teaching is the process of facilitating learning by providing relevant experience and guide skill development. So from the three, that relationship is three elements from integrate teaching cycle, ensuring effective learning, meaningful evaluation, and continuous improvement. So that is all. I give it back to the moderator.
Okay, thank you Novitri for your explanation. Okay, the next materials is concept of test, assessment, and teaching, and types of assessment. I would like to invite Siska Melani to give the explanation. To Siska Melani, time is yours.
Okay, thank you moderator. I'm Siska Melanie NPM 25. I will explain the material about concept of test, assessment, and teaching. Teaching, the process of facilitating learning by providing relevant experiences and guiding skill development. Relationship, there's three elements from an integrated teaching cycle, ensuring effective learning, meaningful evaluation, and continuous improvement. Types of assessment. Assessment can take various forms depending on its purpose and approach. 1. Purpose-based, formative assessment and summative assessment. 2. References-based, norm reference test, NRT, and criterion reference test, CRT. And the last, method-based, performance-based assessment and authentic assessment, and portfolio assessment. Okay, thank you. Back to the moderator.
Okay, Thank you for the explanation, Siska Melanie. The next materials is teacher-made test versus standardized test and approach to language testing. I would like to invite Zakila Talia Salsabina. To Zakila Talia Salsabina, time is yours.
My name is Zakila Teresa Sabina and I will present a material about teacher-made test versus standardized test. A teacher-made test 1 created by teacher for classroom use. 2 flexible, relevant to local content, but reliability and validity depend on teacher skill. B. Standardized test 1 developed by expert for broad application. 2 highly reliable and valid but might not fully match local teaching goals or learner needs. Next, approach for language testing 1 discrete point approach focus on individual language elements such as grammar or vocabulary. 2 integrative approach combine multiple skill, example listening and writing in one test. 3 communicative approach emphasize real life language to language use, interaction and communication. 4 text-based assessment use meaningful text such as presentation or group project to access authentic language use.
Okay, thank you Zakila for your explanations. The next materials, they explained by me. Okay, I want to explain to you about current issues in language testing. Okay, some current challenges and trends in language assessment include the first one, validity and reliability. Okay, validity and reliability, ensuring the test really measures language ability and give consistent results. And 2, washback effect. Tests should promote positive learning, not just test preparation. 3, fairness and inclusivity. Tests must be fair for all learners, regardless of backgrounds or ability. Okay, 4, technology integration. Using digital tools and AI in testing while maintaining fairness and accuracy. Okay, 5, shift to alternative assessment. Moving toward portfolios and performance-based tasks for more authentic evaluation. Okay, next, the conclusion. Okay, conclusion. Language assessment plays a crucial role in effective teachings by linking testing, assessment, and instruction in a continuous cycle. By understanding different types and approaches and by balancing teacher mode and standardized tests, educators can ensure assessment are both reliable and relevant to learners' needs. Thoughtful assessment not only measures language skills but also support meaningful learning, engagement, and the development of critical thinking and lifelong learning habits. Okay, the next is references. Okay, the end for my end of our presentation. On behalf of our group, I would like to thank you for your time and attention. I'm sorry for my mistakes. Once again, I'm Della, moderators for these sessions. Thank you very much, and I now take my leave. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.